There are a lot of awesome free 3D art materials and resources out there, and today I'm going to show you a stylized Substance Designer material case study where you can download everything for yourself in Substance Designer and grab all the maps for free. So let's hop in and take a look at it. So Alexander Galloway is an artist who does a ton of really cool stylized materials and has really been getting good at doing Overwatchy style and Overwatch props, that kind of stuff. And recently, if you click on his portfolio, he's got a bunch of really, really cool assets and materials from Overwatch. So what he did is he actually provided everything for free. So if you hop over into his store and download them, add to library, and you can download them yourself totally for free, and then we can poke around and check them out myself. So let's hop into Substance Designer and see what's going on in there. Okay, so we've extracted all the files and everything's conveniently piled together in, I think, 5 or 6 little maps here. So if you're not really new to Substance, or if you are new to Substance Designer and you're really just trying to learn the basics, what you can do is just right click and open, and it will eventually, I already have bricks open, so let's open Busan, and it will open the material and then change it here as well. So you can now hop in, poke around, check everything out for yourself. Very, very cool. Now he's made these materials free, so you can probably use them for whatever you want. I would just double check with the actual description of the store or the actual product, but we can poke around in here and see exactly what everything is doing. So you can see for the small grain and the directional small grain that he has, everything looks like it's nicely divided up into parts. So you can see for the small grain, he's pulling everything there, creating a directional, transforming it, and it all gets blended together in the height map, and then everything gets added into this really cool grain and roughness. So I'd highly, highly recommend everyone checking it out for yourself. And at the end, you get this really cool result. So you can also do that with Paris roof, which we'll change in a second. Just like that, and some more Busan stuff. Some cool wood siding. So this is a great resource if you want to take a look at just how materials and stylized materials are done specifically in the Overwatch style. This isn't pure hand painting. This is mostly PBR. So it's very important to learn, and Substance Designer really is an industry standard. So let's hop into Marmoset, and you can see that when basically you want to display these materials, you can do it however you want. So if you imported a plane, I just imported a super high subdivided cylinder, just like the one in Substance Designer. And all you have to do is with the maps that you've been provided. So this is what we downloaded, and then you go into raw maps and then pick whatever you want, and you can kind of do it yourself. So I'll show you exactly how to do that in Marmoset. New material, and let's highlight it, apply it. So this is a blank slate here. Now let's do the Paris roof, because I did want to check out this one. We'll add the occlusion map, and now we're going to add everything here. So he's got everything nicely laid out, ambient occlusion. So you can see now the AO. I'm going to move this off to the side. AO's added in. Let's add our base color in the albedo section. Roof height. Now we don't have to necessarily do this, but we can. So let's add that, increase the tessellation. And then we can add the height, and we'll mess with the scale. There we go. So now you can see it's actually started messing with the mesh itself. And we'll add the metalness in the metalness section and the normal maps. And make sure with Marmoset, with your normal maps, make sure to flip the y-axis. And finally, the roughness. So that's how you quickly get all these awesome materials into whatever program that you're going to be used to rendering. So basically, if you had a house and you wanted to add this material, all you would do is select the plane and then basically do the exact same thing. So you could create a fully a full scene with these materials that Alexander has provided, if you really wanted to, just to mess around. So this is an awesome resource. I highly recommend you guys all download it yourself and check it out. So thanks, guys. This is just a quick video. I just wanted to show you this really cool resource. And I think I'll be doing more of these videos in the future where I show off really cool tools and stuff that I found. So thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.